8051 LCD interfacing. So we will look at 8051 interfacing LCD. Okay, have you seen a LCD? LCD throwing LCD 16x2. Did you see this LCD or not? Mato LCD. LCD mato by LCD.
Mathola.
Something like a rectangular shape. So if I draw a rough,
is it that calculator one or small one?
yeah, calculator की या थोड़ा अनि screen ये में ना, calculator की screen ये में ना, that screen is LCD. Calculator की screen. That screen is an LCD. LCD ये बता ना लो. So it looks like this. It is in a rectangular shape. Okay, divided into 2 rows. That's why it is called as 16 cross 2. Divided into 2 rows. Each row can accommodate 16 characters at a time. So it has 16 columns. Let's say 1, 2, ... till 16. Okay, each row. Now it has some pins. First pin is to give some data. Okay, let's say this is a data bus D0 to D7. So from here you will feed some data. Like for example, that data might be a simple data or a command. Okay, this data somewhere here, data or command. Okay, D0 to D7. It can be data or a command. This one. Now it has other 3 control signals. Okay, they have 3 control signals. One is called as RS, register select. One is R by R/W bar, whether you want to read or whether you want to write. Okay, that pin is there, and one is enable pin. Okay, one is enable pin. So there are 3 pins for controlling purpose. One is for register select, one is for read and write purpose, and one is to enable to latch the information. The latching ki purpose ki this one enable is for latching purpose. And to adjust the brightness of this LCD screen, we have the power supply. let's say this is a register, this is grounded, this is a potentiometer. You have a VCC here, okay, 10 kilo ohm. This is 10 kilo ohm. This is VEE, VEE, okay. This terminal is VEE and a VCC. So this one will adjust the brightness of LCD. This part. Okay. Am I clear to you till here, till this point? Ani part gidi. As you change the resistance value of this potentiometer, you can adjust the brightness of the LCD screen. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's see these registers. What are these registers? So we have two kinds of registers mainly. Okay, we have two kinds of registers in LCD. First one is command register. First one is command register. Okay. Command register, from term only, user can store commands with using this command register. This command may be CLR, clear, display on, cursor on. All these are some of the command used for LCD interfacing. Display on, cursor on, all these are commands. Okay. Another register is data register. Data register. Using data register, user can store the ASCII value of character. Okay. So there are mainly two types of register. One is command register and one is data register in LCD. Command register is to store commands like, for example, CLR, display on, cursor on. Data register, in other hand, is used to store the ASCII value of the character. Now, what are these RS, read, write, that again? First one is RS. RS stands for register select. Okay, register select. If register select, okay, if register select is 0, if this pin is 0, that means the register will be acting like a command register. If it is 1, it will be a data register. Is it clear? And RS pin the 0 imagine this whole register will act like a command register. If this RS is 1, this whole register will act like a data register. Next one, R by W bar, R by W. This one, actually this low output low, active low, R by W bar. It is the purpose of this pin is read and write. Read write. If it is 0, it is a write operation. Okay, it is a write operation. So that means we will be writing command or data in the register. Okay, in the LCD, I mean in the LCD we'll be writing. That means we give the values, and that value it will be written in the LCD. It will be displayed in the LCD. One, it is a read operation. That means we'll get the signal from the LCD. That means we are reading from the LCD. This is from LCD. This is from LCD. And this one is to LCD. It will write on the LCD, GD, from the LCD. Okay. Last one is enable pin. Enable pin. Enable, this is mainly, okay, to latch the, to latch the signal. For example, you're sending a data or a command. This is a signal, remember that. When you send a data or a command from the data bus, the signal need to latch on the bus. Are you getting? When it will latch, only if you give a high to low pulse in enable, then only this signal, this data or command will latch onto the data bus. I'll write it here. Latching is required to send the signal from data bus. Okay, and this latching, this is done by sending high to low pulse on enable. Is it clear till this point? Huh? Or not? Any doubt till this point? Doubt ega ancinale lamme.
No doubt, sir.
Mila sir.
Now, so what is a procedure? Firstly, data or a command register will be selected. Okay. Then we will place a data or the command on the data bus. Then we will select whether it's write or read operation. Then we'll latch this data or command by sending high to low pulse. This is the procedure. So first one, sequence garebe interface pani na. First one, select data or command register. Okay, this is first procedure. Second is place data or command on data bus. Third one is select read or write operation. Fourth one is latch this data or command, okay, by sending high to low pulse on enable. So these are your 4 procedures, step by step sequence procedures when you process LCD. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's see some of the commands. What are some of the commands? These are commands. Number 1, 38H. 38H means if you write 38H, okay, if you write 38H, that means we are selecting LCD of 2 rows. That means we are select LCD of 2 rows. Okay, selecting LCD of 2 rows 38H diwachin. Check accumulator nalu 38H chuachin. That means we are selecting that we are selecting 2 rows of the LCD. If you write 0EH, if you write 0EH, display on and cursor on. Zero EH accumulator na chuachin display on and cursor on ime. Cheri jame 3. 01H accumulator na chuachin clear display. That means whenever you send, if you want to display something new, you need to first clear what is being displayed. That time 01H you will put in accumulator. Display on, cursor on, this is you know, wherever you want. Like for example, sometimes you don't want your character to show from 1, might be in the middle from here. So you will select the row column here from here, right? 1 2 3 4th, maybe 4th column, not from 1. So cursor the select beko bate, cursor the change beko bate. So during that time, this cursor on will be handy. Is it clear or not till this point? Now I'm clearing this. I hope you have written. Each character has an address. Like for example, let's say this is an LCD. LCD will be divided into 2 rows, 16 columns. That's why it is called as 16 cross 2. First one will have the address of 80H, 80. The first box has an address of 80H, 80. So subsequently, next one will be 81H, next one will be 82H, and it will go on till plus 16. The second row of first column will have the address of C0H. C0H. Please remember this. Next one will be C1H. Next one will be C2H, and so on. Okay, are you getting or not? Like for example, I want to display, let's say God, G-O-D, God. I want to display on the LCD screen. Okay, and this GD I want in 82 location. That means I want G here, G-O-D, I want here, not from 80H, I want from 82H. In this case, what will happen is I have to send the ASCII value of G. What is the ASCII value of G? I have to send the ASCII value of G in location 82H. And I don't have to send the ASCII value of O to 83H because the cursor will be incremented by 1 automatically. Are you getting or not? I'll write it here also. The ASCII value of G should be sent to 82H. Cursor will be automatically incremented by 1. No need to send ASCII value of O to 83. So in 83 I want O, in 84 I want D. Okay. If I explain this more thoroughly, not ASCII value, I will send 82H. Okay, send 82H in command register and send ASCII value of G in data register. This is more prominent way of explaining. Am I clear to you or not? If I want this G to display on 82, this 82 will be first sent to the command register. Then the ASCII value of G will be sent to your data register. And where you will write GOD, then GOD will be written in the lookup table. For that, you will be using a lookup table. And lookup table, let's say, what register you will use to bring the data from the lookup table? Can someone tell me? Which register you will use? Suppose I'll write GOD in the lookup table, and one by one I will bring to the LCD. So to bring from lookup table to the LCD, which register you will use? Okay, whether you have understood or not till now?
Read and write.
No, you have studied before. Maybe I think last month. For example, lookup table na gadebe chung che gyani. How you will put in lookup table? You will write, let's say this is a string. God is a string, right? You will write db God 0. You will write this code. DB, what does this DB stands for? DB stands for defined byte. This is something like in a flash memory. Something this is in lookup table. Now to bring this G, this will be in somewhere in the at the end. So to bring G, which register you will use? Which register you will use? Which register you will use? Animena. Firstly, you will use this G, you will put in DPTR. DPTR, firstly, it will point to the value, location of 82, location of G, that is 82, DPTR. Then I will increment one by one. But before that, I have to initialize with A equal to 0. And this value you will put in your lookup table. Then when I do this, I'll get one by one from using this command. Lookup table is in the code memory. Lookup table is in our code memory. Are you getting? So you will use this technique. Now, I have written 0 here. What does it mean? Now, 0, let's say, when I write like this, okay, when I write like this, God is in the stack, something like in the stack. G diana zinu, O diana zinu, D diana zinu wade. God in the stack. Now, and at the end, 0 has come now at the end. Now, and the point, firstly, the DPTR will be pointed to your G. First now, this is DPTR, right? Data pointer. Your data pointer is pointed to G when A equal to 0. So DPTR will be automatically incremented 0 zone delay. Delay, it will be incremented here, then it will be incremented here, and it will be incremented, it will end until and unless DPTR gets to 0. If it is 0, okay, if it is 0, then the program will stop. Are you getting? That's why there is a 0 here. So it will check whether the program will end or not, whether the LCD has displayed or not, and 0 gidi. So 0 at the end we put 0. This is O, this is 0, man. So there are two different things here. Are you getting or not? Before we go to the program, is it clear till this? Program might be very long, man, I'm telling you. Now, okay. Now see this, can you see? Can you see or not, this one?
Yes, sir.
So this is the diagram of how your 8051 microcontroller is connected to your LCD screen. So this is your LCD, okay, and D0 D7 is connected to P2, RS is connected to P0.5, P0.6, P0.7. It does not mean that you have to use always this pin. You can use any pin. Okay, it's not universal, these pins. Okay, this pin can be, you can use any pin for this. And okay, this is your for adjusting the brightness. See, this is for reset, this is for frequency. Okay, this is for reset, right? This is for frequency. Pin number 9 is used for reset. Which pin is used for frequency? Ani pin da ani pin gachmu. Which pin is for VCC? Ansum the tips na dego me daven. Why wanna, you might ask these questions. Which pin of 8051 is used for frequency? Crystal frequency. Which pin? So now, now let's, I'll give one question here. Suppose this is the question, Analu. Write assembly language programming ALPE to display string Ganesh, okay, Ganesh on first row of LCD. Anime question, okay? This is your question, and you have to do this in Proteus. Me Proteus nalo che display bego me nalo. Ganesh display bego LCD na to. I'll give you the program today. Write ALP to display string Ganesh on first row of LCD. So it will have 3 subroutines. Okay, first I will explain with a flow chart. Okay, then I'll go to the main program. So it has 3 subroutines. First one is for command register. Second is for data register. Okay, first one is for command, second is for data, third one is for display, to display. So there are 3 subroutines in this program. So let's see one by one. First subroutine, see this flowchart. This is for LCD command, this is for LCD data. Okay, are you getting? Flowchart mein flowchart. Now first one, main program nale, main program. So first it will be in the main program. So main program nale, in from the accumulator I will send to port P2 whatever command. Okay, whatever command is there from accumulator I will send to P2 first null. Then I will set rs equal to 0. Why rs equal to 0? Why rs equal to 0? Yes, to select command register, I have to set rs equal to 0, low. rs the low shawade. Then next is r by w bar. Now since r by w bar is equal to 0, that means it's read or write operation. Right operation. Yes. Because I want to display something on the LCD. That means it's something to do with write operation. You want to display. If you want to get whatever it has displayed, that is read. Okay, 0. And I will send a high to low pulse in enable 1, enable 0, then return to the main program. This is your flowchart of LCD command. LCD data also same thing. First I'll send the data from A to P2, then RS equal to 1, then same thing. Okay, this is the flowchart of your LCD command and LCD data. That means writing command and writing data. First, ani nichara subroutine so. Okay, in the program, this will have a separate subroutine. This will have a separate subroutine, and we will call as required, as and when required. If you want to deal with command register, this one you will call. If you want to deal with data register, this one you will call. Are you getting? Let's move. No, so I'll start with the main program now. Main program now we start with the main. I'll start. Then A equal to 38H. Why? Why 38H? That's two
rows. Select 2 rows.
Yes, select. It will select 2 rows. Yes. A equal to 38H first now. When I write A equal to 38H, after this 38H is command or data? 38H is command or data?
Command, sir.
It is command. So you will call LCD command. This subroutine you will call. You will call this subroutine. So first 38H, A equal to 38H, take the loop. 2 rows will be selected. And after that, since 38H is a command, so you have to call this command register subroutine. So you'll call cd command. Then next step is A equal to 0EH. Why 0EH? Display on cursor on 0EH, another command register. So you'll call again that this subroutine. A call LCD command schedule program. A call. And LCD command is somewhere written down below as subroutine. Then 0A equal to 01H. 01H will act like it will clear the display. Then it's also a command. Till this point, is it clear? First, now this is a main program. Command chiki program do dolo anibe move 38H, comma A. A call LCD command. Okay, A call LCD command. Dele daru move A comma 0EH. A call LCD command. Dele move A comma 01H. A call LCD command. Okay, after this, you'll write this string in dptr now by using this instruction. Ngai dachi chamchi lapchi this string emena the ganesh dachi chiki god se demena. This god should be totally sent to your, each character will be pointed by your dptr. How you'll set that? You'll set by this command, move dptr comma hash string. Okay, move dptr comma hash string. Chindi, you are setting those string. That means right now Ganesh, this string will be set to your dptr. So dptr will point each character one by one now. Okay, are you getting or not? The next step is a equal to 0 0. Why we have said to a equal to 0 0? When move c a comma at the rate a plus dptr that time you have to initialize a equal to 0. Then only it will read the value of dptr. So that's why I am writing a equal to 0 0. So that means move a comma 0 0 h, because you have to use the instruction move c and instruction use move c a comma at the rate a plus dptr use begwate. But before that you have to set a move clr a begwate a the 0 shagobate, then only it will read whatever value of dptr is there. Are you getting the reason behind a equal to 0 0? Read data from memory. Okay, read data from memory. That means from the code memory. This is from the code memory. That's why I have written move c. How it will read? I explained you, Dachichamchi, that whatever value you have written, it is in the stack and it is pointed by your pointer dptr pointer ki point down, and it will read data from that memory until and unless it is pointed to 0. Are you getting? Until and unless it is 0. So we'll check, is a equal to 0 0? Yes, imagine this is yes me. Yes, imagine the end memade. So program will stop. Program will stop. Anna. If no, the data should write, right? That means the data has to be displayed in the LCD screen. If no, if yes, it will stop. If no, it will be displayed, right? So if no, Anna, if no, Anna, if no, I will call this LCD data subroutine because I want to get this data from the data memory. So if no, I will call this LCD data. After calling, I will increment the dptr. Then it will, this line will go here. See, then again a00. The row increment, the row, it will say the next value there. So similarly, analog, dptr will be incremented. It will go here. It will check whether a equal to 0 0 or not. It will do that, this operation. Then it will bring the whatever value, it will bring the ASCII value of O to accumulator. The row come back. The row again another loop. dptr will be pointed to D. Next nalu dptr will be pointed to 0. The program will stop. So it will be in the loop. That's why I have written there analu and I stop page. If it is no, you will call the subroutine data, LCD data. LCD data subroutine, then I will increment dptr, go back to A00. Is it clear till this point? Is it clear or not till this point? So with this, the main with this, I'll come to Kale. Okay, can you see this screen? Screen thomega.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ORG00H first nalu. Okay, always program will begin with at origin. Then I will send move A comma hash 38H. Okay, I told you Tachichamchi, that firstly I'll send 38H A to select 2 rows of LCD. Then I will call LCD command. See here, I will call LCD command. Let's see what is LCD command. I'll go down. LCD command is here. It is a label. Okay, and I have a delay here. Delay daru it will go down delay and a call delay me badmush. So what is delay now? Delay inside that LCD command daru there is another delay. See inside. So it is subroutine inside subroutine. Subroutine inside subroutine. This is one subroutine. This is one subroutine. This delay is another one subroutine. Daru that LCD command is subroutine naze daru so subroutine chidwana. Delay. So it will run. It will reach this subroutine. It will finish this. Then it will come back. It will run. If you remember, LCD command flowchart beodalu. First, I will send A to P2. I will make RS equal to 0. In this case, RS is our port pin number 0.5. So I will clear 0, enable high to low zone and 0.7, clear 0.7, return beodalu. I'll come back to that program. Main program. This is our main program. The main program. From here it is subroutine. This is one subroutine. This is another one subroutine. The delay is one of my subroutine, and my string is somewhere down here. See, it's not that difficult. And this program, it looks a little long, but it is not actually, if you understand. This one thing this woman anidi. 3801H. This one, this 3. This one you are starting from 82H penny. You want to start the command from 82H. Not command, you want to display the character from 82H, not 80H. That's why 82H. Last naludi. So this to display the character from location 82H. Why 82H? Because first row location starts from 80H. So it will but I'm not using 80H. I have to do from 82H. So that's why. Then LCT command, Daru come back to this one because each one of this is a command. It's not a data. Data is the ASCII value that if you want to bring this string, if you want to bring this string to the accumulator, then you will require your data register. But these are all commands. Ani the command imade. Ani bendigi we are using command register in between always. See. So firstly, to define this character from the lookup table to the point DPTR, see, I'll write this. This is very important line. The meaning of this is address of first character of string of lookup table is stored in DPTR. Point DPTR to string lookup table. See, if I want to point this DPTR to the first character of the string, that means G in this case, Ganesh ke first character ani me mane. First DPTR de ana point back over there. For that, you have to write this line. This is very, very important syntax. Okay. If you don't write this syntax, this won't be displayed. DPTR would not know what is inside the lookup table. This is lookup table imade anidi. This is your lookup table. In lookup table, I have written Ganesh, the thing which I want to display. If I want to, this lookup table is actually in the code memory. So that's why I will be using move C. So if I want to get this character, this string from the lookup table, I have to point the first character by the DPTR register. So this is very important register, okay? Which register is used to get the data from the lookup table? The answer is DPTR, which you have used actually in your addressing modes. So move DPTR comma hash string. This one already explained. I explained you, and even I have written the comment here. Then I will clear this A because I told you before using this DPTR is used using this command imade, indirect addressing. This is indirect addressing, right? Indirect or index addressing, not indirect. This is indexed addressing mode. In order to use this command, I have to set A equal to 0, 0 first. Okay, A equal to 0, then only it will get the value of DPTR. DPTR will point to the correct location until and unless the value inside the location becomes 0. So A, now it will check, now JZ exit lamede, it will check whether A ke value 0 in amena. If it is 0, it will exit, it will go to directly to exit. Exit. It will go directly to exit. If it is not 0, it will run this line. If A value is 0, exit. Exit. Program will end. If it is not 0, it will run this 3 line. Okay, that means DPTR is checking whether the value is 0 or not. If it is 0, program will end. If it is not 0, what will happen? Block diagram I will call LCD data register. Where is my LCD data? Somewhere here. Here is my LCD data subroutine. Again, there is a delay inside that. Now I will increment dptr like I did in the flow chart, because I have to increment, because dptr needs to be incremented, right? If I don't increment dptr, what will happen? It will never go to next cursor. That means Ganesh G chave G display be chave A display be go A display be chave N display be go N, after that E. So that means dptr should be incremented. It will increment. Daru this program will continue. So that's why it's in the loop. SJMP back. So it will come back here. It will do for A. Daru it will come back. It will do for N. Again come back. It will do for E. Again come back. It will do for S. Again come back. It will do for H. Last nalu it will come back, but there is no character, but they will find 0. It will end. That time the value of A is 0, not the ASCII value of GANESH, but it is 0 in A. So the program will end there. Are you getting? Let's see. I've already created hex file, but there is showing some problem on the Proteus now. Is it clear with the program? Program clear in a menangalo. Toto. Love the way. Let me know whether I am clear or not. Or not clear. Or sleeping. Sleeping. So I'm putting a hex file. Let's see. But it's not displaying. Something is wrong. But however, you have to do like that. Tua, you try it once, maybe a small syntax mistake. I'm actually doing right now. Is it clear or not till this point? You try this program, okay, and you put in Proteus and you try whether Ganesh is displaying here or not. Chachi, can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you upload the producer software?
Gaya ne FTP na choose hai the FTP na. I gave you the link. I didn't give you the link.
You gave, sir.
It is there, sir.
It's
We
there.
gave,
It's
sir.
there. Check it out. Last time I link nalu. Yeah, it's there. You must have. Okay, I think we'll end here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
와, 댄슨. 한재야. 네, 니, 겨라 아치시라. 한재 엄마 참고 처음 온다. 네, 네, 뭐. 뭐 일렉트로 트레스 항팀 필름이 theory 다즈를 없이기든 calculation dollar 망fam이 derivation. 네, 온다 쇼도. 오메 클래스에 범청이. 너는 보링 쇼실래? 다 하나 하고 뭐래? 진짜 다 하고 없다. 내가 또 고치 진짜 하나 하고 뭐래? 하는 거는 쟁하 살이 또 디스템 보링 인비는 이유야. 난트랑 먼저 자 오마 사긴다 아마기 바담 프라이안 타워 천 우니 자데 천 아랑 본 먼저 विवेक सर होता एक विवेक सर की एक पे तो पक्का एक भी ना मिलता ही मैं जब बोलूं शो एक बच्चा सोम तुझे दस नंचा चेंगा सर बराबर के इवन चेंगा सर उन बता हारंग गोन मोला था सोम तुझे तो नंचा एक बराबर था नान्यो हारंग गोन मोला विवेक को हागोन मोला नान्यो चुमोनो प्रोग्रामिंग बता हारंग गोन मोला जितना प्रोग्रामिंग सेवा गिलो जितना प्रोग्रामिंग मा सेवा गिलो छु 니 그랬고서 나는 슈베이트로 운지 파이고 때 합도 운지 때 응? 네, 이쵸 온 프로니 I have a submission solo time 이거 장다 구글가 입초하는 우리 필리랑 어디에 필리핀 타워 저지 태블릿 바이가다 거기다 하루하루 핀 타워 전다 운동으로 사미탄 타워 전다 안에 리절랭가 하나 뭐또 엄청 다 늘라 위엘리 사미탄라 맞추지미 멜가 그때가 멜가 맞고 처음에 로기다 뭐 뭐세 이렇게 곧 조금 입에